Hello everyone, welcome to Smokey Code. I am Omnisa and today we have got something special for you. A Dart crash course. Whether you are an experienced developer looking to add Dart to your toolkit or a beginner taking your first step into programming, this crash course is just for you. Okay, let's talk about Dart and its compiler technology. Dart is powerful, open source and versatile programming language developed by Google. It's known for its speed, simplicity, and ability to pair cross-platform applications. The Dart language is type-safe. It uses static type checking to ensure that a variable's value always matches the variable's static type. Here is example of it. Correct. Okay, now let's talk about Dart compiler. There are two types of Dart compiler. One is for native platform compiler and one is for web platform compiler. At first, let's talk about native platform. For app targeting mobile and desktop devices, Dart includes both our Dart VM with just-in-time JIT compilation and ahead-of-time compiler (AOT) for producing machine code. That's simple, okay? And if your app targeting the web, Dart can compile your development or production purposes. Its web compiler translates Dart into JavaScript. As for the instance, if you build a web app using the Flutter, and the Flutter code is translated into the JavaScript. Okay, we will be deep dive into the Dart key feature at first, from its stock typing system to asynchronous programming. By the end of crash course, you will have a skill to build your own Dart application, for instance by using Flutter. But wait, we will be working on real-world projects to apply what you learned from web development to mobile apps. That is covered. And don't worry, if you are new in Dart, we have got you covered with plenty of resources and examples. Just follow along and let's code together. Without further ado, let's jump into the world of Dart programming. Are you excited? Let's see you in chapter 2.